the comments.
Good. So how we do it in Excel?
Right click and select the comment box or insert note like that.
Right click, comment box. Huh? This
Yeah.
one.
Yes, sir.
So how this is helpful for us?
Like remembering in the next future, like what we have done on that day, what are the works we have done, additional works, like
It's there in the Excel, no? So if you go 20 plus 30, if I put,
no, no, like in the well, we are counting the numbers. In the additional, we insert comments like what you have done extra work on
hmm,
that day.
hmm.
That purpose we will use.
Another way, yeah, that is fine. But I'm asking very generally. You say this is a comment. What is the purpose of it? See, this is Excel. So you're adding something, you do something. What makes you too easier to add these comments? So let us see, then you can understand. Okay, let's see. One minute.
To work with comments. Let's see those one by one. First, we'll be seeing is how to insert comments, edit comments, delete, and show all the comments. Let's see that. I'll just keep my cursor at any place where I want the comment, and I'll go to this review tab. And if you see there's an option as review a new comment. So I'll click on this new comment. You see there's a name which is given as tutorials point. That is the name of the author of the file, and I'll just keep on start typing here. This is the new comment, and I'll just click outside. So my comment will be inserted. If I go back to the place and if I keep my cursor on this place, you can see the comment is displayed. That was a long cut method. You have to go to the review tab and then click on this new comment. But I'll give you a shortcut method. That is the Shift F2. When you press Shift F2 from the keyboard, you can see that the comment is inserted. I'll keep my cursor here and I'll press Shift F2. That's a shortcut to insert a comment. Now sometimes you might forget a shortcut. How do you find out? So I'll just click outside and I'll keep my cursor on this place. If you see, Shift F2 is a shortcut to create a new comment. That's a insert a new comment. Now that's how you can insert a comment. That was it. Now if you want to edit your comment, how do you do that? The same shortcut, the same you can use it. Just keep your cursor in the cell like this and press Shift F2 again. So this way you can see it has become in the edit mode. So how you can edit a comment? Shift F2. So I'll just start typing here. Editing mode. But if you want to edit a comment, some other method, what you can do is you can just keep your cursor in the cell where the comment is there and you can go to this place, that is edit comment, either of the ways which you find easy. Next is how do you delete a comment. If you want to delete a comment, keep your cursor and go to the review tab and click on delete. Otherwise, if you don't have a mouse, if it's difficult to go there, what you can do is you can press Shift F2 from the keyboard. Shift F2 will bring into the editing mode. Then you have to press escape because the cursor is blinking. You have to press escape like this, and after that escape you have to just press delete from the keyboard, right? Delete from the keyboard and the comment goes away. One more try, we can see here. Keep your cursor in the data in the cell, Shift F2 and then press escape and then delete, so that comment goes away. So this is the shortcut method you can go. Otherwise you can go to the review tab and delete the comment. Similarly, if you want to see all the comments, you can select this option as show all comments. Right now, since there are no comments, yeah, Shift F2, I'm just creating some comments over here like this. So I've selected this option as show all comments, and if you click on this show all comments, these are shown. Show all comments like this. The next one, I have something known as show ink. This is specially used for MacBooks where people write with the help of a pencil on the Excel sheet. They write some marking points and all. That time, if you want, you can ask them to show ink. The ink will be displayed. But right now we do not have here, so I'll not show this option. So same, I'll go for the show all comments. So I hope you have understood how to.
Okay, you know what? See, you haven't told us like what needs to be done. What is the purpose of it? I'll tell you why. Okay, so you do something. Okay, I have one sheet. I'll tell you. I'll show you something here. Um, I'll show you something. Okay. I forgot this password, but that's fine. So not an issue. So I'll show you something else because see, for example, I'm doing something. Okay, so this is marketing spend ledger. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'll add 23 plus 24. Okay, this is the addition. But when I go and click the cell only I come from, but I cannot able to click the cell. Okay, so shift F2, it insert the command. This is the name of the system is HP, that's why it's showing HP. But if once you edit it into your name of the system, it shows like this. So what I can do here is like, so 22 plus 23 or something. So it's 45, right? So equal to 45. Okay, right. So you can see here. Okay, so you can see here 22 plus 24 I get. Okay, 22. So shift F2, 22 plus 24 is 7. So you can right click also. You can show all hide comments. This is also possible. Okay, so you can do like shift F2. You can insert it, delete. You can do that. So because I don't want to click the cell here, I can see here whether whatever they are done, I can insert comments. Whatever the comments I can give, so I can give. See, for example, so wherever the comments are there, how many comments are there, I can able to see. Okay, so right click, I can show all comments. So I can show comments. Otherwise, you can go for show all comments. This is also possible. Okay, so how many comments, what they have done, rather than clicking the cell. Okay, right? Any doubts on this, guys? So something where what you have done, if someone have to understand, then you have to click the comments in the Excel. So you can edit the comments. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is a very easy thing. It's copy and pasting. I won't think so that
have you been planning to learn advanced Excel and upgrade
because the copy and pasting thing, I think each and every day you're working.
Microsoft Excel
Let's
skills?
see.
Then use your chance to become a certified Excel expert in just 3 hours. Hi, my name is Jatan Shah. In this video, we'll be looking for copying and filling and different shortcuts also. Let's see those one by one. In this place, if you see, I have a data with name column, price and USD, which has different formats and different colors available. Now I'll just do a simple copy paste. I'll just select the cell, select the entire data, and then I'll click on this home tab, and then I'll click on copy. If I want to paste, I'll just select any cell where there's no data, and I'll just click on this paste option. So the data will be copied as it is and will be pasted in the new place. Let's see the next one. But if I don't want the data with the formats, I want separately. First, I want only the data. So I'll use something known as paste special. So how do we do that? So first I'll select this data, press copy. I'll keep my cursor in this cell. And now I don't want the formats. I only want the values. So I'll go to this paste special and I'll select the values option here. You can see this values. So I'll select this values. So if you observe carefully, the formats of this number rupee is not converted as it is. It is given as it is. The formats of rupee, they are not given here. It's only the values are given. Similarly for dollars, the dollar are removed and only the numbers are given. If you see the blue line which is given on the top, it has been removed and only the data has been given. Similarly, if I don't want the data, I only want the formats. So I'll do the same option. I'll select the data, copy, and I'll keep my cursor in this location. I'll go to paste to special, and I want the formats now, not the values. So I'll scroll down and you can see there's a formatting. So once I click on formatting, only the formatting is available, but not the data. Okay, so this paste special can be used at various places. One more example for paste special. If you see carefully, I have some data given here. That is number 1, 10, 20 and numbers, and second column has 1-digit number. If I copy the first column and if I paste on the second cell, second column, the data will be pasted as it is. But what if I want to paste and also add? For example, I want 10 to be pasted here plus added, that is 12. 20 plus 3 as 23, 40 plus 7 as 47. I have to go for paste special. Let's see how. So I'll first select this data and I'll copy that data. Second is I'll keep my cursor in this place and I'll go for paste special. So I can go to this place and I can select this paste special. If I don't have the options available, I can go to this paste special dialog box. In this dialog box, if you see, there are various options available, but I'll select this option as add. The moment I click on OK, I've selected the add button and I'll click on OK. So once I click on OK button, the number will be added along with paste. So I'll click on OK. So you can see number 12, 23, 35 and all the options are given. So that is the advantage of paste special. Similarly, I've done for addition, you can do for multiplication, subtraction, division, etc. All these options. Next I have a data in this place as vertical columns. In this place, the data is in the vertical columns. What if I want to transpose this data? I want this not as column headings, but as row headings. So I'll select the data, press copy, and then I'll scroll at the bottom and I'll go to paste special. I'll copy again, copy. I'll keep my cursor, I'll go for paste special, and there's an option available known as transpose. So the moment I select transpose, the column headings will be converted into row headings. Let's see that. So you can see the option is available as transpose. So once I click on this transpose, the column heading is converted to row heading. So the table can be used for other purposes also. Right? Next we have how do we copy cells from one cell to one cell or one cell to multiple cells. Let's see those one by one. So you can see I have this Ronnie given here. If I want to copy this Ronnie in the entire column, I'll just keep my cursor in this place. And I have to keep my cursor at the bottom corner right until I get a doctor symbol. That's a small doctor symbol. If you keep your cursor in between, there's a thicker doctor symbol. So I want this symbol at the right hand corner. Once I drag down at the bottom, I'll get the same data copied everywhere. So that is copying from one cell to all the cells available. Next we have how do we copy to different worksheets. See, I have copied into the 2D column. One is the column or the rows. I can do it easily by the same method. I can drag it horizontally or vertically, same method. But what if I want to copy to different worksheets? How do we do that? Let's see now. So I'll just copy this Ronnie, Control C. I want to paste into 3 worksheets. Let's say Jan, Feb and March. So I'll go just randomly, see that Jan month, there's nothing. Feb month, there's nothing. March, there's nothing. I want to copy this Ronnie in all the 3 sheets. So how do I do that? So I'll select this 3 sheets, Jan, Feb and March like this. Control click. So I've copied these 3 sheets, and what I'll do is I'll just click on this paste option. So once I click on this paste option, so you see wherever my cursor was there, the Ronnie word was pasted in that place. So if you see cell number F24 in every sheet, in 3 sheets, F24 in month of Jan, F24 in month of Feb, March. So all the places the data has been copied. So that's the easiest method which will save your time and it can be worked a lot. Next is how we use fill for quick copying. The thing which you have seen is right now I've selected Ronnie and I've dragged down. So I've got all the options available. Similarly, there are various methods like you can say as Monday, you can use for Jan, where you can just copy, you can just drag down and you can copy the data. So I'll type down here Monday, and when I drag down, I'll get entire list available. So this is, you can see as dragging down will give you entire subset of data available. So Roni was dragged down only Roni, but if you go for Monday, you'll get different data available. So in this video, what we have seen is, we have seen how to copy paste, we have seen advanced paste special, we have seen how to drag down and copy the data in all the cells. We have seen how to copy the data and paste into different worksheets, which is available. That's all. Thank you.
Sometimes while writing my newsletters, I get
Okay, guys, I think this is a very important to our work, because this is something people can say that the pay special values, pay special. So a lot of stuff people might have talked to you, right? So I'll tell you like what exactly how this works. I think he has clearly explained how it is works. So for example, I'll tell you. I can give some kind of formatting. I can give 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 34, 45, 67. Okay. See, when you do simply just copy paste, you do copy paste. Okay, I want only the format. So first copy the whatever the content, right click. Also you can do paste special. This is also you can do, or you can do here also paste. Okay, paste special. This is also you can do. Okay, I need only format. You can put format. The format will be in picture. Or if you put only values, only the values. Will not take any format. Okay, and you can put any kind of transpose from row to column, serial number. Jan this come first, 1 will come here, so 23, 56, 34 will come like this. So like this. So this can be done very easily when you do with this paste special values. Also he said like I want here, and I want to add it over here. Add, for example, you can see 34 plus 45, 67 plus 18, 45 plus 45. You can get it over here. So and same way you can just do the subtraction. You can do multiplication, division, and subtraction. So for example, you can see here, right? So everything can be done over here. This is very useful. For example, I already told about the sequence, right? January, February, March. This advanced fill sequence is available. It's already inbuilt in your system. So 365 days in a year, 7 days in a week, and the sequence numbers, it's all inbuilt. So if you drag and put it the sequence, obviously the next sequence will come after December, it comes in January. Okay, for example, if I type Monday, even if you put the smallest thing also, for example, not entire thing, Monday, Tuesday, see here, or if you type Monday, Tuesday, whatever it may be, it will continuously works like this. See here. So something, the date and series which could not be changed as per the facts. So that will take it in the Excel. That is already being feeded in the Excel. Hope this, I think this is really helpful, because whoever works in Excel on a day-to-day, like for example, you want to copy and paste. See, if you press shift and select the sheets. Okay, you copy and go to this sheet, for example, 2 sheets, and put it here. For example, see, put it here, and you come back and see page down, it will be there. Okay, so this is really helpful for whatever you people continuously works in Excel. And this paste special, without paste special, you can't do anything wherever you copy. So I normally do that and put a formatting, paste special, wrap everything in. Okay. Any doubts on this, guys? Anything you want to know? Paste special. Guys, anything? Because I'm the one who is talking. I think you people are not talking. I mean, does it? No, right? So shall we go for advanced fill?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Right. Thanks. Yeah.
tend to type so fast that there are spelling errors or some of my sentences
In this video, we'll be looking for how to go for advanced fill option.
I think this I already spoke to you people. These are all pre-filled data, track numbers, months, days, and you can do the custom also, whichever is required for you. Okay, right, left, we can do. This is called some advanced fill.
We'll be looking for how to get dragging numbers, dates, months, and also we'll be using some custom list options. Let's see those one by one. I have a number written as 10. If I drag down at the bottom, let's see what happens. I'll get all the numbers as 10. So I'll just click here and I'll drag it down. So I'll get all the numbers 10. What if I want 10, 20, 30 increment of 10 in every cell? So I need to type here 20. So I've selected two numbers. I need to select here two numbers, that is 10, 20. Once you select that, you have to keep your cursor at the bottom right corner like this. You have to keep your cursor like this, and then you can drag down at the bottom. So you'll get all the numbers with the interval of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, all the numbers. So similarly, if you have some different interval, 10, 30, 50 kind of 20 intervals, you just write as 50 here, or you can write as 30. And if you drag down, you'll get those numbers available. So if I write 10, 30, so interval of 20 is given. If you observe, interval of 20 is given here. Similarly, if I select here Jan, and if I want to drag down at the bottom, so I'll get all the months in a year. So you see here, I'll just keep my cursor here, and if I drag down, I'll get all the months in a year, Jan to October, and so on. Because these are inbuilt lists created by Microsoft Office. Similarly, if I have this Monday available, if I just keep my cursor in this place, and if I drag down, I'll get all the days in a week. So Monday to, again, I've got this Sunday, and again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But what if I type here, let's say some country name, if I type here my country name, that is India, and if I drag down, what I'll get is, I'll get only India. Why not I get list of names of all the countries in the world? So how do I get it? This list which are defined, these are already defined by Microsoft Excel. They have something inbuilt. If you want to define your own list, let's say India, China, Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore, anything, so you can create a list itself. That is known as custom list. How do we create a custom list? You can see here, you can observe here. So I'll just keep my cursor anywhere, not a problem. I'll go to File, go to Options, and I'll go to Advanced. File, Options, Advanced. And I have to come at the bottom till I get this option as Edit Custom List. You have to come at the bottom in the Advanced place, Edit Custom List. Now, if you observe, these are the lists defined by Microsoft itself. Let's say days in a week, or you can say months in a year. These are already defined. If you see Monday to Sunday, if you see Jan to December, these are defined inbuilt. Now I want to define a list of my choice, so I can click on this new list, and I can type all the names of the countries, whatever I know, and I can create a list. I'll just type here India, Singapore, China, Malaysia, Indonesia. That's it. So I've added some 5 names. You can also add different names over here, and once you finish that typing, okay, you can just click on add, and the names are added on the left hand side. So next is you have to just click on OK, and that's it. You have to click on OK. So now I'll type the same name again here, India, and what I'll do is I'll drag down. So you observe what will happen is, if I drag down, you see all the names of the countries are given here, India, Singapore, China, and again once the last name is done, that is Indonesia, again the series will get repeated. So again India, Singapore, China. So this is how you can create your own custom list. Now what is the benefit of using this custom list is, if you have 50 employees in your company, if you're a manager of a company, you can create names of your employees into one list. Remember any one name, so you can just type that name and you can drag down. So you'll get all the 50 names itself, right? And the second thing is, so you don't have to remember everything. Second thing is, if you open a new workbook again, this list will be remaining in your Excel, in your laptop itself. I'll create a new workbook. I've used Control N option, a new workbook. And if I try to type here India, and if I drag down like this, still the list will be there, because this list is in the Excel setting of that laptop or computer itself. So this can be used again and again. I'll just click on close and don't save. Right. So we have seen how to work on drag fill numbers, drag fill days and months, and also we have seen for the different custom list. The last one I would like to show you here is how do we use the